Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I hereby announce my withdrawal as Goa TMC candidate from Fatorda and hand over the bait to a young lady, young professional, young advocate, and that has been the policy of the party, to empower the women.
I'm delighted to be able to take on Vijay Sardesai, who has been the person who has jumped, who has provided an unstable government to us.
जो फातोर्डाचो लोक जो आहा तेमकां चेंज जाय, सो चेंज करपाक एक भुरगें यूथ तरी आज बसयला आमी जाल्यार जरूर बाय शिवला विक्ट्री कोतलें दुबाव ना.
So 15 days is enough to stand by the truth, and 15 seconds is enough to go and push your button on Don't Fool and to make the right choice. Because if you miss this chance now, do not blame us later, and do not blame anybody later that you had no choice.